If you need the webcam that's Ultra HD, autofocus on point, at may privacy cover pa, let's check out the eMeet C60E webcam. Sa loob ng box, meron tayong manual, the tripod mount, privacy cover, at yung mismong webcam. And guys, this is real 4K resolution, crisp, professional looking video para sa mga important meetings mo. Autofocus is really good, lalo na kung meron kang product na showcase, mapofocus mo talaga with the minimum focusing distance.
Okay, so what you are hearing right now ay yung eMeet 4K web camera natin. And ito yung sound quality ng microphone na galing sa webcam na to. So what do you think? Okay ba yung mic quality or kailangan natin gumamit ng external one?
Meron din siyang physical privacy cover, just flip it down kapag tapos ka na and the lens is fully blocked. As a bonus, meron din silang option na maglagay ka ng mini tripod, perfect for extra flexibility lalo na kung magsistream ka. Kaya if you're ready to level up your setup, grab this webcam, nandyan lang yan sa product link ko sa baba.